For today's video, we are buying cheesy color coin fusion. Apparently, it's a golden Korean style pancake cookie filled with a glossy ring of fusion that stretches, melts, and shines in every bite. 99 pesos. It's new. Looks like this. And that's how it gets made. Mine is with marshmallows. Yeah, but mine stretches and melts. You can try mine. Can I try yours? With this. And you'll know how wine. This looks already delicious, guys. So the one on the left is mine. On the right is Brian's. So yeah. Well, you can just read this. The cheesiness. Whoa! It's getting press and a hologram press. Hi viewers. Hi viewers. This one is gay. I'm your cameraman. No, I want to put the camera. Nah, you're just gonna spy on Daniel again. No. You're in love because your so-called girlfriend left you. Daddy, it's almost done na po. There's Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Awkwardness, staring.
Seb. Tawag ka, Seb. Chocomores? S'mores, s'mores. Akin na to.
Mine not there yet? Lapit na. Okay. Okay, Belle, show yours. Belle, show yours. That is mine. We're gonna have a eating video when we came back at 7:30.
Sam, go there.
Yes, it's ready. Thank you po. We'll see you guys there. Bye.